Have you ever wondered how Netflix keeps streaming, Amazon never stops selling, and Instagram is always online? The secret isn't magic, it's AWS, the world's most popular cloud platform. Let's understand it in just 3 minutes. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. Imagine renting a fully furnished house instead of buying one. In the same way, businesses rent powerful computers from AWS instead of buying expensive servers. In the past, companies had to buy expensive servers, wait weeks to set them up, and hope they could handle more users. AWS changed everything by providing computing power in minutes whenever it's needed. Think of AWS as a giant network of secure digital warehouses filled with powerful computers. Your files and applications live there, and the internet delivers them to your phone or laptop in just seconds. Here are 4 AWS services you should remember. EC2 is like renting a computer. S3 is your online storage locker. RDS manages your database for you. Lambda runs your code automatically without managing servers. Some of the world's biggest companies trust AWS every day. Netflix streams movies. Airbnb manages bookings. Samsung powers smart services. And even NASA stores and analyzes space data using AWS. Why do millions of businesses choose AWS? Because you only pay for what you use. Your data stays secure. Your applications can reach users worldwide. And AWS can grow with your business anytime. Learning AWS can open doors to exciting careers like cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, solutions architect, and cloud support engineer. As more companies move to the cloud, AWS skills are becoming more valuable than ever. Let's quickly recap. AWS is Amazon's cloud platform. It lets businesses rent computers online, store data safely, scale easily, and build modern applications. Learning AWS is a smart step toward a successful IT career. Remember, every cloud expert started as a beginner. Start learning one concept at a time, keep practicing, and you'll be surprised how far you can go. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple tech guides. See you in the next video.